Hi, I'm the Dapper Dinosaur. This channel is my counter creationism project, as well as an educational project teaching people primarily about the sciences of evolutionary biology, paleontology, taxonomy, and evolutionary developmental biology. I only plan to discuss topics I find interesting, which is primarily the previously mentioned scientific areas. That's not to say that no other areas will be touched on, but if I don't find it interesting, I'm not going to talk about it. However, other things like astronomy, astrophysics, cosmology, those are all fair game. I also don't plan on talking about politics or religion. I find that online discussions of both things tend to be fairly fruitless. Even though I have my own opinions on both of those, I don't plan on stating what they are, even though it's possible that in some degree those things will come out in videos. Further, every once in a while there may be an off topic video, but those will be few and far between. Lastly, I have two kinds of videos, both of which are divided into separate playlists. I have scripted educational videos, and I have live streams, usually with a guest, where we discuss either some creationist video or some topic, or there might be a debate or an after show for a debate. In any case, since they're on separate playlists, you can simply choose to watch just one kind of video or the other, all in a row. The playlists are added to sequentially. Thanks for stopping by my channel. I'm the Dapper Dinosaur.